Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Gurdeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 11.2 of chapter 11, that is mensuration. Let's see our first question. The shape of the top surface of a table is trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Okay. So this table is given and its top is of the trapezium shape and we need to find the area of this trapezium. So let it be named as A, B, C, D. So the parallel sides are DC is equal to 1 meter and AB is equal to 1.2 meter. So what is the distance between the parallel sides? This is, let it be E here. DE is equal to 0.8 meter, and then we will just put the formula of area of trapezium and find the answer. So let's start it. This is AB is equal to 1.2 meters, DC is 1 meter and the corresponding perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Okay. Therefore, what is area of ABCD? This is half of sum of parallel sides, and parallel sides are AB and BC. So we will add them and multiply the perpendicular distance. This is DE. Okay, so let's put the values. AB is 1.2, DC is 1 and DE is 0.8. Okay, since all are in same unit, so no need to do any conversion. So this is 1 by 2. 1.2 plus 1 is 2.2 multiplied by 0.8. Okay, if I remove this decimal, so 2 11s are 22. This also can be removed. 11 into 8 is 88. 88 over 100. So answer is 0.88 meter square. So this is our question number 1. Now let's move on to second question of the exercise. So the second question is, the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel sides is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. Suppose we have one trapezium. This is always better to make the diagram first, then we can analyze our question easily. Okay, so let ABCD be the given trapezium whose area is 34 centimeter square. One of the parallel side, let AB is equal to 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeters. So let this be the height, let it be E. So this is 4 centimeter and we should find the length of the other parallel side, that is, let it be X. So we need to find BC. So let's write it here. Let ABCD be the given trapezium. AB I have taken as 10 centimeter, BC is equal to X centimeter and DE is 4 centimeter. And one more thing is given, that is area of ABCD is equal to 34 centimeter square. So now we will put the formula of trapezium, that is area of ABCD. This is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Parallel sides are AB and DC. So AB plus DC multiplied by the corresponding height, that is DE. So this total is given as 34. So now let's substitute the values. This is half of AB is 10, DC is X multiplied by DE is 4. This is equal to 34. So we can see here 2 and 2. 2 is 4. So this implies 10 plus x times 2 is equal to 34. As we already know how to solve this linear equation, since 2 is being multiplied, it will be shifted to other side and it will become denominator. So this is 10 plus x is equal to 34 over 2. When we cancel this, we will get 17. So this is 10 plus x is equal to 17. So now what is x? We will shift this 10 to other side, that is 17 minus 10. So x is 7 centimeter. So in the last we will write length of other parallel side is 7 centimeter. I hope this question is clear. Now let's move on to the third question. So let's see our third question. Length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. So that means perimeter is given as 120 meters. Because fence we will always make around the field. So around the field distance is always perimeter. If BC this is equal to 48 meter, CD is 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meters. Find the area of this field. So means we need to find area of this trapezium, but condition is given that side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So let it assume to be x. So what we need to find out is, first we will find the value of x because we know the length of the three sides of a trapezium. Perimeter is also given, so we can find AB. Once we have AB, we can see that these two are parallel sides and this is the perpendicular distance between them. So this will be taken as the height and these are the lengths of parallel sides. So we can find the area. So let's see. Length of fence is equal to perimeter of ABCD. Okay, so let AB equals to x meters. Other values are already given. AD is 40 meters. BC is 48 meters and DC is 17 meter and length is given as how much? 120 meter. Okay, so let's put the values. Therefore perimeter is equal to 120. Put the values, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 120. So AB is x, BC is 48, CD is 17 and DA is 40. So this is 120. Let's add them. 40 and 48 is 88. 88 plus 7, 88. So let's add them. This is 48 plus 40 is 88 and then 17. 8 and 7, 50. 8, 1, 9. So this is 105 equals to 120. So then what is x? We will shift this to other side, that is 120 minus 105. So x is 15 meters. Okay. So now we have AB as 15 meters. So what is area of trapezium? area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Parallel sides are AD plus BC multiplied by the perpendicular distance between them. Perpendicular distance is AB. So let's put the values. This is half of AD 40, BC 48 and AB we have calculated as 15. So then half into 88 into 15. So let's cancel this. This will be 44 into 15. So 15 fours are 60. Then 660. Don't forget to write units. Meter square is the area of this trapezium. So this is our question number 3. I hope first 3 questions of this exercise are clear to you. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.